My name is Beatrice. And what I specialize is buying old bicycles, helping people to restore their bicycles like they wanted to. This one I'm going to start is for a friend of mine. His name is Philip, and basically I do this. And I got more bicycles I'm going to show. This one, it's almost finished. It's a Rally Shimano, complete color change. Paid $200 for it. 200 rand. It's like $20 in American money. South Africa it's 200 rand. It's a lot of money. It's not a lot of money for us, but I put everything new on it. Basically, when I finished, I sell it. This is my stock. My life, like the base. That black and yellow one there. It's my private one. But I saw on TikTok. There's an engine on it. Just look at Petrus Lawrence on TikTok. You'll find me there. But this is what I post, and this is where I build the bicycles. The green bicycle, my friend Philip. All this needs to be replaced. I'm going to show you how to put grease into cables. It's better to put grease than oil, because oil rubs, it goes away. Then you use it with a broken cable, and believe me, having a broken cable on a downhill, basically you shit yourself. You soil yourself pretty bad. But this is what I do. This is what I look like. Peace out.